Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, something to look forward to. Cue the intro. Well, here we go again. We're stuck inside the camper because it is a UK national lockdown. I can't physically go anywhere and I'm doing my best day at home like everyone is, and it is so difficult, and I know everybody feels the same. I literally last night started dreaming about going out on a ride. This dream was quite a cool dream. I was on the Honda monkey bike, there was a ramp and the Grand Canyon. The sidekick was there going, no, don't do it. I revved the bike up, I went full pelt, jumped over the Grand Canyon and landed in 11 out of 10 style perfectly. And there's no point during the stream did I actually crash the bike, started crying and going, no, the monkey. That never happened. I didn't wake up crying at all. No, not at all. And then I've even thought about jumping on the motorcycle just in the garage, putting my helmet on and sort of lighting some joss sticks so we have the smell of India and pretending I'm riding through India in this all the way. That's not crossed my mind at all either. I've not lost the plot in any way whatsoever. But the thing of it is, I think a lot of us feel exactly the same, and I've had a lot of sort of emails and messages from many people, sort of bit like, especially before lockdown and obviously during lockdown as well, to say that, you know, is there an adventure? What have I got planned? Is there something that we're going to be able to do? They'd love to meet me, they'd love to ride with me, and they'd love to get involved in one of the craziness of the channel. And the thing is, me too, I really do. I want people to get involved with this channel and I want it all to happen, and we've got some massive stuff planned, but everything is on hold. We've even got some sort of mainline, we've got some of the manufacturers that want to lend us bikes, but we can't even get out and do these sort of 2021 test rides because the country's in lockdown. And it's a shame. Even the Spanish trip that I sort of announced that I'm looking forward to doing, again, I can't do that because we can't go and do it. So what I want to do is put a little bit of glimmer of hope into those people that want to come on one of the Helmet Head adventures. Now, this is almost, I mean, I can't put a date on it exactly, but this sort of adventure is an opportunity for people to come along and join in part of the craziness fun. The one thing I'll quickly say is that when we do film it, it is not all butterflies and rainbows. There is lots of stopping, filming. You've got to obviously be happy to be on camera, be part of the fun and the craziness, and also understand that it's not just one continuous ride, it's lots of filming edited to make it into that. And I just, you know, I want to say that because I think people might turn up and just go, oh, this is going to be absolutely crazy, we're just going to ride all day. There's lots of stopping and starting, but do you know what, it'll be worth it and a giggle. There is a plan behind the video as well that the sidekick doesn't know about that will make it a little bit more fun and interesting. And I can already hear people going, yeah, but what is it? Well, I want to do that lockdown kind of first trip ride, and I normally go off to Wales. I do, that's normally my warm-up place to go, and obviously I've done that twice last year, and I've decided that this year we should go somewhere hopefully more middle-ish that many people could get to. So I kind of want to do my warm-up out of lockdown, freedom, something to get excited about ride, and it's going to be the Peak District. And ideally, the plan is going to go a little bit like this. Me and the psychic are going to get there on a Friday evening. We're going to obviously chill in the hotel room, enjoy some beers and everything else. And again, everyone's going to be welcome. I'm going to announce the place where we're staying and the, you know, and more of the plan as time goes on. But then on the Saturday, we're going to have all day to basically ride around the Peak District, having a little bit of fun. There is a plan out there that me and the sidekick are going to do, and there's going to be some giggle to it. And then obviously the Saturday night we're obviously going to chill back out in the hotel room, and then we're going to have a leisurely ride home for us on the Sunday. So basically it gives us the whole Saturday to be able to do some awesome filming and make some cheeky fun adventures, get the drone out, have a giggle and do some nut stuff. Now the thing of it is that everybody, I know that, you know, it's really difficult for a lot of people to turn around and say, you know, when are we doing it, and I can't afford to this and I can't afford to that. Well, so that's kind of why I'm talking about it now. I want to be able to give people, I mean, a lot of people have been affected by this, the COVID, to do with losing their jobs, to do with being furloughed off work, and even people that currently that even are living off of their savings. And I massively appreciate that, and that's one of the things I kind of want to give this sort of notice. I don't know exactly when we're going to be going. I like to think that the lockdown is going to be finished by hopefully the end of March. It might be done quicker than that, it might be done early April, it might be later than that. I'm hoping for around that time. My plan is, as soon as they release the dates, you know, as in we're coming out of lockdown, and the rules, or hopefully we'll be able to book hotels and more than 6, etc, etc. We'll plan on doing it. I'm hoping literally a couple of weeks after we get that date, I can put something in the diary and we can all go. But it gives people that opportunity right now to put a little bit of money aside. It is going to be a hotel room. I would say I was going to go camping and keep the budgets right down, but I'm going to treat the Sidekick to a hotel room, because I still think at that time of year it's still dodgy on weather, and I want this to happen for everyone. Saying that, you're more than welcome to stay wherever you want to stay and meet us at the, you know, a designated time at the hotel room in the morning to keep your costs down. It's all about the ride and the giggle, people. It really is, and the craziness and the fun. But it gives people hopefully something to look forward to. That moment they announce lockdown is about to finish, you can go on in a few weeks time. I'm going to be riding with Helmet Head and the Sidekick. I will be bringing, of course, my permanent marker to sign the bold heads and the ladies' boobies, and of course I can sign merchandise as well. I know then it will become priceless. People have them in their homes and they know that they could retire just off of the funding of that one Helmet Head t-shirt. So I will be there, that will happen, and you know what, I am massively looking forward to it. I hope this gives a few people something to get excited about, that generally want to come on one of the crazy adventures that we do. And it's a date, kind of a date for the diary, to know that there is something at the end of this. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that will give you something exciting to think about, plan for, and kind of, you know, lift your spirits in, let's be honest, a really hard time for so many people. I just want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. These guys are just awesome, and I just want to say thank you so much. I literally couldn't keep this channel going the way that it's going. I wish I could be giving you more crazy and exciting content at this time, but I am doing my best, guys. I really am, and I really appreciate it. And you know what was a really nice surprise during this time is gaining a new patron to our patron team. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Mark Riddler. It's just awesome, dude. It's lovely. It's one of those difficult things when we're in lockdown. A lot of people are struggling, and this channel does need its support, and you doing that for us, buddy, is really appreciated. And it's same with all of my patrons. I know it's difficult, guys, so I do appreciate it, and hopefully that patron money can keep going towards making more and more things happen. It is always being saved up to buy something for the channel. So happy days. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it, and hopefully you enjoy watching those videos first, and hopefully you enjoy the banter on the patron site. So cheers. And then of course I want to turn around and say, if you've not looked at the Helmet Head shop, all the merchandise is available on there. The cool Helmet Head t-shirts, there is obviously the cool Helmet Head hoodie, there's clocks, there's the best mug in the entire world, there's the water bottle. It's all there, guys, so please check it out. I appreciate it. We do make a commission again on the channel, so it helps fund all the things that we are doing, so I appreciate it. And again, massively thank you to the people that have subscribed to this channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, that thumbs up, that subscribe, and that bell button, because, you know, again, it really helps the channel. The more subscribers, the more people view it, the more people you tell, the more you share this channel on social media, the quicker we grow, the quicker, the bigger, the better the content is going to get. So thanks, guys, for that. I do appreciate it. Then of course, all there is to say now is please be safe in this sort of hard time. I know that's a really boring thing and everyone says it, but you know, you guys matter to me. All bikers matter, all bikers' lives matter. It's important we all unite together. Stay safe, stay strong, and hopefully lockdown will end soon. I just want to turn around and say, as always, the most important 3 things in life: eat pie, ride motorcycles, be happy. I will see you in the next crazy Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever.